It's just not gonna work. It's just not gonna work. It's reviving the chill Instagram. I'll just all use Visco now. All the biddies use Visco. You don't have any posts on Instagram? Really? Vapor. It was really good when I got a golden. Yeah, no, it's still good. When I got a golden, it was like... yeah. I'm shooting fucked. This gun's terrible. Why can I not just finish this shit? This should not be that hard. This is so fucked, dude. Because they're all using LMGs. Oh. What? Yeah, I'll do it. I don't know. Probably not. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, well. I know. Then I get the game all break. Yeah, well. I'm sure you can. I think that, yeah, no, you definitely can. Because Seabass brought his Xbox One to Arizona when we went there. You say it like you're not going to be not playing the entire time. Oh, yeah. You're gonna be in North Carolina. You're going to North Carolina. Oh, you're in Utah? Nice. I thought you guys were in North Carolina. I was about to say, Ombre. That's the same time zone. Utah's 3 hours off.
Outrider requesting Mantis tasking.
Dude, are you kidding me? I just died on a 4. I'm spawning in their spawn now. Nope, it's not, because I can't kill 5 of them at once.
That's a kill.
We've taken control.
Assault pack's ready.
Hostiles have taken out our TAC deploy beacon.
They're gone. Enemy down.
Oh my god, dude, I'm 3 kills in and they've all been on the same dude.
Standing by.
Kill.
I just got diamond pistols.
Enemy UAV above.
Like, as you asked me if I got dark matter. Like, as you asked me, I just got it.
Tech fire.
Sniper's nest on standby.
Let's go, baby, turn me up.
Point of fire.
Hype.